Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a N-scale trains, my N-scale layout and the trains on it. So I'm just going to be running them, showing you what all I have. So first, we'll start with this Bachmann ATSF 3283. This one I can't exactly run. I want to, but I can't. No motor. Don't remember exactly what happened to this. I can't really see it, but it does freewheel, so. I don't know if I said that, but it's a Bachmann. And then I have the tender to it, 3283. Oh, okay, I just set off my crossing gate. Give me 1 second. Next, we have another Bachmann 3283. This one actually has a motor. It does run. I think Alex's Train Productions made that 475 for me. Speed up a little bit. This is the fastest it goes. Then I have the crossing gates. It's a bit rough. I'll let it run. It's probably fine. I'll let it run again. It's a Bachmann, so it's got its problems. Oh, that's what I saw. Oh, that's weird. That's the sensors for my crossing gates. But yeah, that was my AT&SF 3283, the working one. So set them up like this when I'm done running them. This is a Pennsylvania 2761. This one's also a Bachmann. It's a nice engine. Got a little trouble starting. Come on. None of these engines are bad, just some of them have trouble running because I haven't ran them in a very long time. This is full power. This is all the fastest it goes. I think the 3283 is faster. I'll run it around one more time. Runs pretty good at a slow speed. Or maybe not. Don't mind the dust and dirt. I'm gonna set it all up like this. This is probably gonna be my thumbnail shot at one point or at some point. I'll just make it that later. I don't know what to expect this one with this one. It's a Bachmann Jupiter. It has no front wheels. Like none up here because I figured out it runs better without them. I'm honestly not sure if this one's gonna run at all. It's tender powered. This one's a bit difficult sometimes. Oh, okay, I derailed it. Hold on 1 second. Full power. As long as it doesn't blow up, it's a win in my book. Come on, work. I might have to follow this one around the track a little bit because it doesn't seem to want to run. There we go. No? Do you not want to work today? I never know if this thing is going to want to work. Come on. Yeah, I don't think that's going to want to. I don't want to short circuit. Oh no, I just tripped. Come on. I give up. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with this. If I'm going to sell it, if I'm going to attempt to fix it, if I'm going to pay someone to fix it, or what I'm going to do. It gets power from the tender. I feel like that might be part of the reason why. It's the tiniest locomotive. It's definitely the oldest one. The Last Bachmann steam locomotive I have, it's Jersey Central 106. Probably the best running one, definitely by far. This one's one of my favorites. I really like it. I'll run it a little slower. Definitely a good engine. I've had it for quite a while now. Very similar to the 3283. I just think the 106 is a little bit faster. So I will set that up with the rest of them. The 106 is, I guess not. I was going to say a little more detailed in the front, but I think that might just be the color. It's a little more gray. And the 3283 is black. Out of the steam locomotives, the Pennsylvania 2761 is probably my favorite out of the Bachmann steam locomotives. Bachmann Happy Holidays trolley. This is another one that you never know if it's going to run. Oh. Today it's deciding to be good. Firing right up. Awesome. Well, it's very loud. This one will flip around and run the other way. How'd you get that first try? I'll actually just do this, run it down there, and then I'll run it back. Yeah, sometimes this thing runs and sometimes it doesn't, and today was one of the days it decided to be good, so I'm happy about that. Kind of unpredictable one. Chassis system, Atlas 7802. It's very, very slow. This is full power. I'm running it at full power right now. Oh, okay. It always does this. It's always a slow starter. I'm hoping it won't get stuck back there because that would be very angering. And I don't feel like reaching back there right now. I'll let it run around another time. Hopefully it won't get stuck this time. I'm looking at a flyby. Oh, that was bad. That was very bad. Come on, don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. There we go. Yeah, this one's very interesting. It's a good engine, but I mean, like, it's not perfect by any means. Set this one up by the trolley right there. Conrail quality Atlas 6734. Oh, right up. Wow. That actually surprised me. Normally this one's about as rough of a runner as the chassis system is. Well. My trains are deciding to be good today, except for the Jupiter and the chassis system. Sorry if I have a shaky camera. Not the greatest at holding cameras with my left hand. And we'll bring it in slowly here. Put it up there with the chassis system. I might end up doing a separate video on rolling stock. Is this video upside down? I might do a video on my rolling stock eventually, but I'm not quite sure. Rail America, this one, 2211. This one's also an Atlas. You gonna go? There it goes. Quiet. This one normally runs interestingly. It's like right now it appears to be dead. Oh, there it goes. Go. Please don't get stuck back there. Right as I said that. Don't get stuck on the very back. Okay. I'll figure this out. I think I know what I'm going to do. Conrail, save him. I tend to do this a lot with my model trains because sometimes they tend to not work. And the Conrail seemed to be the smoothest runner so far, and it's also an Atlas, so I figured I'd pull my other Atlas. There we go. Now both of them are turned on. Come on. Just make it back here. Don't need you to do any more. Just come back here, please. I could probably get it from there. No spoilers. Oh. Well, I can't exactly get that. 1 second. I'm going to have to put my phone down for this. I had to go back over there and get it out. SF 5785. This is a Kato locomotive. And it runs just fine. I don't feel like rescuing a train today if it flies off. So I'm just going to run this one at modest speed. This one's very quick. All of my Kato locomotives are very quick. I have 5 of them. There's 4 more after this. We'll put it on the side. Kato CSX 721. This one runs just fine too. It's very fast. Faster than the BNSF even. This will probably be a good speed. Speed up a little bit. Awesome. I think there's 3 more. Kato Norfolk Southern 2610. Just as smooth of a runner as all my other Katos. This one has a very interesting sound when it's running at low speeds. I'll show it to you in a minute. After its second lap, I'll show you what I mean. You can kind of hear it now. Not really, though. I'll show you what I mean by that sound. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. It is a good runner, and it always has been. The BNSF wasn't always as good of a runner as it is right now. I cleaned it a lot maybe not super recently, but it was like, a month ago? 2? Not quite sure. Kato Metro 160. This is actually my second take on this one because I derailed it in the first one. Yay. I forgot, I'll run it at full speed here quickly. Turn it down a little bit. It's a beautiful engine. I love it. Turn it up a little bit. Heck, I'll turn it up all the way. And cut power. That went further than I wanted it to. Oh, this one has a special thing. Hold on, let me turn off my crossing. There we go. So it has the front running lights. But when I put it in reverse, at the front, it has red lights. So that's fun. Sorry if I have sideways, dang it. Sideways angles sometimes. Or just smaller things, like smaller. I think I had it in the CSX, the Norfolk Southern, and the BNSF. It was like, I had it like, my phone like this. Now it might be sideways. But that's not the point. Sorry if my camera angles were a little bit weird. It's my first time filming model trains. 1. This is my first N-Scale train that I ever got. Kato Amtrak 161. Runs like a charm. I'm going to pretend that didn't happen. Let's try that again. Be gentle around the switch. Gates didn't even have time to go down. They just went ding, ding, and then stopped. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.